So this is our next program on structures. We have a structure complex number. It has its real part, it has its complex part, which are both integer type. Then we are trying to add two complex numbers. We pass the complex number as arguments, complex C1, complex C2. We have used type def. Then we make a temporary structure here, complex number, add those two, store the sum in temp, return the temporary structure. In add complex number 2, we pass pointers to complex number C1 and C2 and return structure of that temporary variable where we add them. And here in the add complex number 3, we still further optimize it. So here we have pointers, we pass the argument as pointers, and now here we pass the argument as pointers, the two complex numbers, and we become the most optimized, and we return also the pointer to the structure, the summation. So we have a complex temp and we add those numbers and then we return the pointer to that temporary complex number. So the question is, which one is the best function according to you? Of course, using pointers, so if a structure is very big, it's giving us a lot of space, like we don't need to have that much of space or storage memory required to copy the whole structure. Here we just pass the pointer to the structures and it's done. But here we are passing the whole big structure and copying it. And similarly here we are returning also the complete structures, but here we are even passing just the pointers to the structure and we are returning also just a pointer. So which one is the best? So we will see, is it working fine? So it's compiling. So we see that we have structures C1 and C2. So it printf, and let's see the output. So the complex number is 3 plus 11i. So the first one is working fine. So we had 1 plus 2 3 and 6 plus 5 is 11. So the second function works fine and it is also printing 3 plus 11i. And the final function is also luckily working fine. So now which one is the best? So by intuition we are all smart, so we will say this is the best one, because we are passing pointers to structures and we are also returning a pointer to structure. Structure can be huge, and so this is the best optimized way. But one of the problem here is that we should remember that the scope of this structure is just for this function. So it comes into existence when the function starts and it goes out of scope when the function ends. So when we are returning, so it goes out of scope, the temp, and we are passing a pointer to something, some value or structure that is going out of scope. So in that case here we might get some dangling pointer or some pointer which is pointing to some garbage value. So we should always try to understand that we are passing pointers of structures, that is good, we are saving a lot of memory space, but we should return a pointer only if it is not local variable, otherwise we may lose it. So this is the thing to remember. We should pass pointers to structures in functions, that saves a lot of memory space. But while returning, we should return a pointer, it's good, but we should never return a pointer to a local variable inside a function, because when we return it goes out of scope.